Nicole van Til, and I'm here to talk to you about possum population problems, the effect of fire and logging on Trichosaurus vulpecula. Trichosaurus vulpecula is the common brush-tailed possum, which is an arboreal species native to Australia. They'll inhabit any area with a suitable habitat of trees, with a food source and hollows. Due to these natural behaviours, logging and fire has a large effect on population. The previous papers tend to only focus on either logging or fire, not both. The results obtained from these are frequently burnt or logged properties versus unburnt and unlogged properties, but data is never really collected immediately after the fire or logging occurs, which allows the possum populations to increase again before the data collection occurs. So the aim for this study was to obtain cage trap data from 6 properties in Helidon Hills and statistically analyse it to critically determine whether the mean relative abundance of the Trichosaurus vulpecula population differed significantly between different logging and fire intensities. For this study, 6 properties in Helidon Hills located in southeast Queensland were used. These 6 properties are demonstrated on the slide provided. The method was 8 cage traps on each property. They were baited with jam sandwiches every morning, and the back half of the trap was covered with a hessian bag. The trapping occurred over 3 nights, and an example of where these were put is shown by the crosses, and this is in Ergon East side. The results from this study presented in the provided table show that possums were caught on all of the unlogged properties. Haggadoon had the highest average number of individuals per 100 trap nights. However, all results were found to be insignificant as the p-values were significantly higher than 0.05. Logging had a p-value of 0.07 and fire history had a p-value of 0.3, showing that logging and fire history had no impact on the possum population of these properties. The low number of possums recorded in logged areas may be consistent with the loss of hollow-bearing trees. In one paper, it was found that in unlogged forests with frequent fires, the number of hollow-bearing trees increased. However, in forests that were logged with frequent fire, the number of hollow-bearing trees decreased significantly. Thus, the population of possums would be impacted by the loss of hollows, and this could be contributing to the decrease seen in logged areas. It can be seen in several studies that while logging and fire history may not impact the population when occurring individually, once combined, they cause significant impacts. Furthermore, after regrowth occurs in burnt areas, the effects of fire history are significantly decreased and population begins to grow again. To reduce the impact of logging, a buffer zone containing unlogged trees could be implemented to keep the number of hollows high and therefore increase populations. Whether the mean relative abundance of possums differed significantly in properties with different logging and fire histories could not be determined. However, this may result in further research. Thank you.